Okay, half of planting cocoa, you must dig some ground, must 3 to 6 meter, yeah? Finish, then planting ocean, putting on the ground, yeah, finish. You must pestim him strong lo ground na. Finish, then you leave him stay ocean na. Okay, family name lo cocoa hem Malvasia. Scientific name lo hem Theobroma cocoa. Common name them, common name cocoa. Local vesicular name cocoa. Then status them of introduction lo South Africa. Then ecological service cocoa agroforestry promotes soil fertilizer through organic matter enrichment leaf litter and root system. Cultural or economic importance, cocoa bean were highly valued, often used as currency in trade. They represented wealth and power, especially among the elite.